Okay guys, part 2 video of this VXF 15D2. So yes guys, this is our channel guys. Everything is good. As you can see, dust cap is on, everything. So I'm gonna give it a test at 1 ohms guys. You want 2 ohms, so I went down to 1 ohms. Hold on, let me see you guys. Hold on, let me guys, let me pause this. Alright guys, so I'm going to my base test up. See. Let's start from way up in the 40s guys. This is 42. That's 42 words right there. Oh, this thing is behaving bad. Oh man. Come on. So yep. So guys, no, it's closer to you guys. So, yeah. 42 words. Take this down. Whoa. I'm gonna put it at, hold on. I'm gonna put it at 30 hertz, guys. Ah, this is my favorite. This guy's at 30 hertz right here. Okay, that's 30 hertz. This guy's 30 hertz right there. Go to 29 or 28. Oh, that's 26. Guy, this go down to 26. Look at that. That's mean. 26 hertz. I'm not gonna put it anymore. Put it back to like 28. 20. That's 28 right there. It's 28 hertz. 28 hertz. Just in case you guys don't hear me because I'm talking over the speaker. Yeah, that's 28 hertz right there. Ah, oh man. Oh, why that happen? I will check guys on the thing, the vibration and everything. Ah. Okay, I think I own it, but I own it at an angle, so it should be something right here. So yeah, that's why. But that 28 hertz right there. Yes, guys, I almost didn't do this test because the guy coming for the speaker, so you know, I have to hurry up and try to get this done because a lot of videos I have that I'm gonna show you guys because of that I don't have the last video for it. I didn't post it because I don't want nobody to think I'm lying, say it didn't work, but I'm just gonna post it. But you know, a lot of time I don't post video because if the person come for it and stuff like that, I don't post it like what I was doing before. And my wife said, hey, just post everything, just post them, you know. And they did still want to see what you did before, yeah, which is it makes sense. But I don't have like the final result. Sometimes I said, you know, it doesn't make sense, but you know. That guy's still. Yep. Uh-oh. I think the amplifier chip. Hold on. Sometimes this amplifier does that, guys, when it's. Yeah. Oh no. What happened? Something happened. Not sure. Yes, guys, just that video. This video I did want to show you guys. Yeah. So I have the guy coming to pick it up now, so I'll keep looking outside because yeah, it should be here any minute. He texts me that he's on his way, so you know. That's why I remember that I didn't do the test for this one. So I have to show you guys. So yeah, everything is good, guys, you know. good old Skar, guys. Look at that wave in flex. Flexing wave or waving flex, you know. Yeah, look at that. Nice Sun Miller. Oh yeah. Nice and clean. Right guys? That's it for this. That's it for this guys. That's it for this. Come on, come on, come on. Alright guys, so that's it for this guys. So you know, please like, subscribe if you like what you see and see you on the next one. Alright guys, enough respect.